Tell me who said what and what did who. Talk of deception, lies and hate. I'm climbing the edge, basking in the sun, living in the moment. So hush my child, but no more. Feel the glory on your eyelids as we bask in the sun. We're at the peak. We're at the peak. You and I, we are living in the moment. There's a time for us to worry. There's a time for us to fear. There's a time for us to honor what we see right now so clear. Don't tell me of boredom, poverty and wants. Don't talk of who and where and when. I'm at the summit,